2015 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, air conditioning, automatic transmission, cruise control, compass, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.